Enter code #786# to open the RTN menu. Select Reset, enter 6 zeros as the passcode and tap Verify. As you can see, factory reset has failed because the device is not from US carrier. Alright, let's enter new FRP code. Now enter #72786# and then tap Yes to continue reset.